Hi, in this video, we'll talk about how to use trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. So first things first, make sure to open your Binance application. And from in there, you should be able to see in here your market, which is actually the home page. So in order to do that, make sure to log in first into your Binance account. And then from in there, click on this profile icon that you can see right here in the upper left corner. Once you have done that, you should be able to see this. So what we can do is we need to head over right here to this rewards hub. Click on that. And then in here, we should be able to see this. So if you have any trading fee rebate voucher, you can head over to this my vouchers option. And then from in there, you can see in here all of the voucher codes that you have. So if you have a trading fee rebate voucher, you should be able to just click on that and then use that in order to start using the voucher immediately. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, you can comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.